ಮಳೆ ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು. ಮಾತು ಶುರುವಾಗಲಿ.
Good morning. We are just right now starting of day one of our longest ride together, Sikkim. So we'll be starting now from Bangalore, all loaded up. I'm not sure how much of you can see it actually, but yeah, a lot of things actually gone in the bike actually to start this ride as well. On the way actually I'll update that. It's almost dark here, so we'll start. We'll probably do some 100 kilometers and then we'll take break. Finally we are off to Sikkim. I think we did about 130 kilometers and we stopped here because it was super cold after we filled up the petrol. I was shaking because of the cold. It was super cold. And I'm telling daddy puppies. We are, I think, this is a second break after the breakfast. So we'll be from here, I think we'll be going to Vijayawada. So we have actually covered very good amount of distance actually to coming here, around 300 kilometers or something. Another 6 hours of riding, around 350 kilometers left. We expected actually the weather would be harsh, so far it's good. 9:30, it's not that harsh as of now, but so the Sharat actually took this road few days back, so he has warned us. Far so good. That's why we will cover good amount of distance when the weather is good. I think once the weather gets bad, we will take a break, like lots of break. So far bike performing really well. And this is Banu's towel. ಇದು ಬಾತ್ ಟವಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ it puts this line here, so ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕೂತ್ರೆ it gets very irritating, so we put this towel here. It's pretty comfortable. But I think we will be reaching another 60 kilometers to Nellore. Just stopped, I think, about 200 kilometers to 250 kilometers to Vijayawada. We stopped here for lunch, but as expected, it's super hot weather. And there is also something wrong with my suspension actually. It's kind of bottoming out and there's no rebound. I spoke to a guy, I mean he gave me a contact from Vizag service center, so I spoke to him, Prasanna, so he said that he'll check it. I think probably tomorrow we will be reaching Vizag. Today will be in Vijayawada. I'm not sure if there is anything wrong or it's just in my head. And also the front tire actually it's losing air. I checked it last time, they checked it, it was fine. Again yesterday when I checked it was low, and today when we again checked it was 3-4 points down. So I'm actually filling up wherever I actually stop for the petrol as well. As probably I'm sounding it's bit exhausting and it's too hot. So I mean I think about 12:30 now. So we'll take probably 30 minutes break here before heading out, and we'll probably take it slow. It's about 2:40 now. Banu found one homestay, so we have booked it. It's in Vijayawada city, so I think from here another 2.5 hours, about 140 kilometers. Automatically on the ride it's showing side stand. Hey, thank you.
Is this any YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Which channel, bro?
AnnyArun with ANNY.
Where are you coming from, bro?
Bangalore. Bangalore.
Bangalore. Yeah. Actually, I am biased the subscribers.
Is there?
YouTube, yeah.
Is there a KTM service center here?
In Vijayawada is it?
Vijayawada is there.
Okay, happy journey.
Happy
Yeah.
journey, bro.
Thank you.
Okay.
Nice meeting you guys.
Bro, can I take one selfie with you?
Yeah, sure. Okay, it seems like there was some rock hit here, it seems, and that has come down a bit. So he fixed it like within 2 minutes. Really nice of him actually, and he didn't even accept money for that. Even though we reached the homestay, we still came. We didn't remove anything like any of the luggage, because what happens is that if you remove luggage and come, they'll think that it's a local bike. So I came with the luggage and everything, because then they will understand that we are actually going on a long ride, and they help. He's a really nice guy actually. He fixed it in no time. I forgot to ask his name, sorry. Good morning, day 2. So we are starting early morning. We're starting now at 5 a.m. because we are reaching Vizag, and there is some work actually about my suspension to be checked at the service centers. We'll try to reach there by 3. Let's see, about 7 hours of riding. I heard the roads are bad after Raimandri. Let's see. Okay, there's too much fog, so they gave this yellow light cover with it. Good for the fog. Let's see. This without. Okay. Last half an hour almost we are trying to find a hotel, proper toilets and all, and there are no hotels at all. In Karnataka and in Tamil Nadu, I have noticed like on highways you usually find like lot of hotels. Wow. I mean, even in city there were like no proper hotels at all. Gents. So big and so clean toilets. Thank you. Okay, so this is the one of the amazing hotel, but yeah, it's super costly, but the highlight is actually the toilet which we went. It was like super clean. You will never find, I think always on the highways one of the challenges is to find a clean toilet. So this one is like even better than the malls actually. I guess, yeah, the masala dosa also cost 150 rupees. So I still actually don't mind. This toilet is like super clean. And they even put up a board about almost like 1 hour before we are coming to this place. So they are confident there is no other good hotels actually around here at all. So this is the hotel, which is Amalo Bavi. Hotel Amalo Bavi. So happy?
Super app.
Let's go. Okay, possibly the suspension, what he said is oil is leaked, and that's why it's hard. So they will check if everything can be done via warranty or not. So we'll be waiting here. This is the Bajaj, Varun Bajaj Center in Vijayawada. Vijayawada. Nice view of bikes getting serviced here. The only second day of the ride, it feels like it's already a week. All set with the new suspension. So I think hopefully from here onwards it should be smooth ride. I think I noticed this from almost 2 days, I guess. 2 days. So well, they've done like a great work, so I'll probably ride from here to Srikakulam. That's the plan for us today. Thank you. Thanks, Sandu. Bye bye. Actually, this strap on the other side, I remember putting it on. I'm not sure. I think it didn't put properly maybe, so it came off, touched the either chain or the tire, got cut. Yeah, I think we'll have to live without this now, or we have to find some repair. Okay, update. We have reached Srikakulam. After the Vizag, actually, we got the bike fixed. I think around 5:30 we reached Srikakulam. So I think from outside the city we started looking for places. So there were few options in Goa Bibo. So but I think we found one hotel which was like, this is like a convention center. There were like very less options for in Srikakulam. So if you are traveling via this, I think don't really plan to stay here because you don't get much options, and whatever few options, but they were all costly. So we found one of this hotel which was, I think, about 2,000 they charge. We bargained for like 1,800. So this is the place, and has a nice view out here. I think we will have our dinner here. We'll go out now. That's all for today's vlog. That's it for today. We'll go and have some fun. Who in the right mind put a thing like this in a hotel room? It's supposed to be a ring bell, doorbell. But fuck man, that looks like a camera.